Good morning, students. So let us talk about energy transformations in this video. So we have discussed earlier the various forms of energy available to us. Nature has been very kind to us in providing us energy in various forms, and these forms of energy are as solar energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, sound energy, etc. So there are various forms of energy. Now the question arises, can we convert energy from one form to another? The answer to this question is yes, and it will be clear from the following examples. So let us discuss these examples. The first is conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. For example, the potential energy of water stored in a dam. So when the water is stored in a dam at a particular height, then the potential energy stored in water gets changed into kinetic energy when it falls from a height, and this kinetic energy basically rotates the turbine to produce electrical energy. Thus mechanical energy, which is the sum of kinetic energy as well as potential energy, gets converted into electrical energy. Also conversion of electrical energy into heat energy. So electrical energy can also be converted into heat energy. For example, in electric heater, geyser, toaster, oven, electric iron, this electrical energy is changed to heat energy. The electrical energy supplied to these appliances gets converted into heat energy. Also electrical energy gets converted into light as well as sound energy. So in electric bulb or the fluorescent tube, the electrical energy is changed to light energy, and in electric bell, stereo or speakers, the electrical energy which is provided to them gets converted into sound energy. Also light energy gets converted into chemical energy, and this we have seen in the process of photosynthesis. Light energy from the sun is absorbed by green plants and gets converted into chemical energy. So these are some of the examples of energy transformations, and there are many more examples in which energy can be converted from one form to the another, like conversion of light energy into electrical energy. Solar cell basically converts light energy into electrical energy. Also conversion of chemical energy into heat energy. When we burn fuels, the chemical energy gets converted into heat energy, and so on. There are many examples for energy transformations. So the question that can we convert energy from one form to another, the answer is yes, and there are many examples of this energy transformation. Now let us talk about power. Power is basically the rate of doing work. So the term power basically measures the speed at which the work is done and is defined as the rate of doing work. Power is in fact the rate of transfer of energy, and this is basically given by work done upon time, or power is denoted by the letter P is equal to work done upon time. So power is the rate, or rate itself means with respect to time. So power is equal to work done upon time. The SI unit of power is watt, which is named in honor of James Watt. So after the scientist James Watt, the unit of power is given, which is watt. And 1 watt is the power of an agent which does work at the rate of 1 joules per second. So 1 watt is basically 1 joule per second, which is written like this. And if we talk about the bigger unit of power which is used by electrical engineers, it is called kilowatt, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. Also 1 kilowatt can be written as 1000 joules per second. So I hope this topic is clear to you. What is power, and is energy transformation possible or not? In the next video we are going to discuss about the commercial unit of energy, that is kilowatt hour. Now that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.